Hello, good morning, good evening, good day, wherever in the world you are. Welcome. Thank you for joining our second annual SmartCon Summit. We have a jam-packed 3 days waiting for you, featuring the best speakers, technical demos, and cutting-edge research in this industry. First, what an incredible year has been since the last SmartCon. I mean, Chainlink has come so far. The lockdowns didn't stop us from welcoming new advocates to join the Chainlink community. We now have new Southeast Asian communities such as in Thailand and Indonesia, and countless advocates who are creating local Chainlink communities around the world. And you'll see some of them at our watch parties. On the ecosystem side, we welcomed hundreds of new users, blockchains, node operators, data providers to the Chainlink ecosystem. And DeFi, as we all know, really took off, and Chainlink is proud to help play a part in that story. We're securing tens of billions of dollars now in value, helping to build the fundamental DeFi infrastructure. On the product side, in addition to our popular price feeds, we've launched new products from VRF to Proof of Reserves to Keepers, the Chainlink White Paper 2.0, and so much more. We're ever expanding the products and solutions we provide for smart contract developers. And to support this increasing demand for Chainlink and its solutions, the Chainlink Labs team has also grown multiple-fold. And you'll get to meet many of the new faces over the next few days. I am so proud for how far Chainlink has come, and thank you for being part of that growth. Whether you're a developer, a user, a node operator, a community member, or joining our community for the very first time today, your interest and belief in Chainlink has helped take us to where we are today. Your sharing of our vision to bring cryptonomic truth to enable economic fairness for the world is making a difference. So thank you for being part of a community. We wouldn't be here without you. Over the next few days, I hope you discover something new, meet great people, and that you get inspired. I hope that you take what you learn and this inspiration from this conference and share it with your friends, your family, your colleagues, and spread the word for the future that we're building together. So come on, let's go. Let's bring truth to the world and make it a better place. Enjoy.
Thank you so much, Adelyn. Again, thank you for that great info. My name is Rory Piant, and I'm the Director of Community for Chainlink Labs. Again, we continue to be a global community with tens of thousands of attendees today joining us here from all over the world. Throughout the conference, we'll show you how this community is watching and interacting with SmartCon via some of our community watch parties, which we'll get to shortly. The Chainlink ecosystem is made up of developers, researchers, the data providers, node operators, and businesses providing the most secure and reliable products and services. This allows developers to build amazing products while relying on the Chainlink network to provide them the services they need. SmartCon will be a great way to learn about and interact with the various groups I mentioned. As with anything, the more you put into the conference, the more you'll get out of it. Remember, you not only have the opportunity to watch, but to interact, network with fellow attendees who share the same drives and interests. By the end of the conference, you will have learned how the Chainlink network is moving beyond price feeds and how new products and services are used by the best developers in the space. Since we are such a diverse community, I think it's important to set forth some community guidelines, along with a few helpful tips to allow you to get the most out of the conference. First, please be respectful to all attendees, speakers, and organizers. Treat others as you would like to be treated, and you should be just fine. Second, let's keep the conversations related to the conference. Always remember, you can always hop in many other social channels to ask a question that may not be related. We want to create an atmosphere where everyone is welcome to interact and ask constructive questions. This is a place to learn, connect, and interact. We invite you to take advantage of that. Here's some helpful information and tips for a great overall experience. We have many interactive sessions highlighted by a developer track on Friday, AMAs, and all types of other ways to be involved. Don't be afraid to get involved, regardless of your experience level. We all have to start somewhere, and SmartCon is a great place to get that start. Let's take full advantage of the networking feature, which you'll notice on the left side of your screen. This is a great place to meet people that share your interests. There's always people looking to build great teams. This is a great opportunity to meet them. You'll also likely run into some people from the Chainlink Labs team, so make sure you put aside some time to network. Lastly, make sure to visit the Expo booth to learn more about some of the projects joining us here throughout the conference, along with opportunities to talk to the Chainlink Labs recruiting team and business development team. Right now, we're ready to create a world where truth is greater than trust. You are all part of that truth, and together we can create a more fair world. Again, thank you for joining us, and welcome to Smart Contract Summit. So without further ado, let's check in on some of the people watching SmartCon around the world via some of our SmartCon watch parties. We'll kind of bring some people up here in various groups. Excellent. Again, shout out to some people. We've got Isaiah joining us from Indianapolis, Indiana. We've got B and Joaquim joining us from Sweden. We got Sissy all the way in China. It's late for them. Thank you so much for joining us, everybody. Much love there. We've got people in Barcelona. Barcelona, give me a quick wave if you could. Thank you so much. We've got Joy partying in Thailand as well. So again, this is truly, truly global. It's pretty incredible that we have people all over the world watching SmartCon. You can see some of them with their SmartCon shirts. Again, there's going to be great opportunities for everybody to get access to those. Make sure to watch and follow our Twitter. Thank you so much. Also today, I want to introduce Dr. Andy Boyan. He's going to be our main MC of the stage. He'll do a fantastic job of helping you navigate throughout the conference. He's worked at Chainlink Labs for quite a bit of time now. You've probably seen him all across YouTube. Let's go ahead and bring Andy up here to say hello.
Hey, everybody. I am super glad to be here at SmartCon 2021. Last year, SmartCon was my first exposure to the entire Chainlink ecosystem, and so it was such a great experience. I stuck around for more. They kept me around. You guys, the advocates that we just saw around the world, awesome to see you guys again. I've seen many of those people working to share Chainlink YouTube events and the AMAs that we've been doing on YouTube. Feel free to check those out and join those communities. If you're from an international community, find ways into those language communities. We're happy to have you guys join us there. We're going to get started here in just a few minutes. I'm your MC, so I'll be kind of in between everybody, helping people get from point A to point B. I want to make sure you understand what you're getting into with Hopin here. So the platform you're on, you should be able to see on your left side over there a bunch of options. Check out that schedule. There's a couple of different stages. This one is the innovator track. We've got a lot of keynotes. We've got a lot of project founders and things like that. But the other one has a developer tracks and research tracks and all sorts of other options. So take a look and expand your knowledge as you can. Oh, we do have some more people for watch parties. Do we want to bring a couple more up and intro them? Yeah. Bring them on up. We'll say hi to people. Because we got people around the world. I think we've got a group in Romania here. Hey, Adelyn, how you doing?
Hey, I'm fine. Enjoying.
Good. I got Michael. We've got an Israeli contingent as well. How you guys doing? Who else do we have on? We've got Joy again from Thailand. I know Jen is there as well. Let's see. Who else do we got? Oh, we got UK. We got UK representing as well. And who's this in the middle? I got to check you guys out. As well. Hey, everybody. Welcome. We're also checking out the chats and we're keeping an eye on the socials too. So if you guys want to tweet at me, you know, I'm online all day and I'll be here for the next 3 days as well, along with these various watch parties as well. We've also got others from the US, Jen, and more people around. So thank you everybody for coming. Oh, that was Uganda. That's Uganda in the middle. Awesome. Brian, welcome to your crew there. Excellent. I'm online all day. And I'll be here for the next. All right, so everybody mute your mics, and thank you for coming on. We're gonna get this spin in. They're excited. I'm excited too. I'm really a bit excited for this for all year, honestly. Last year was so much fun. I'm jealous of all the advocates getting their SmartCon swag. That'll go out. I'll get mine soon enough, I'm sure, as well. But it's great to have you guys here. And I can see the chat in Hopin spinning. We got people from Africa in there. People are up early in California. I see you guys. We're going to try and keep an eye on that. Please interact with each other, meet each other, cross-pollinate, and find those connections. Aspiring developers, enthusiasts, our ecosystem, people who have been building with Chainlink for years. We love having all of you guys here. with us. So very much appreciate the enthusiasm leading up to SmartCon, and I am excited to see what happens here. People have been asking me what I'm most excited for. I literally cannot say. I've seen the schedule and I've been trying to like help give people priorities. I can't. It's like, it's so jam-packed with stuff. And I've got the opportunity in the past, few months, especially to talk to a lot of founders. And there's so much gigabrain genius that is coming on to talk to people today. Really excited for all of the presentations, actually all of the presentations. And I'm emceeing, so I don't even get to see all the ones on the other stage either. So I'll have to catch those at a later date.